Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you some secret actions that will help you in Excel. These are some shortcuts, 45 shortcuts I'm gonna show you today. So to select a row or column, you need to just click on the row or column heading like this or like this. And if you want to select the entire worksheet, you need to press Ctrl plus A, or you can click the select all button located on the top of first row heading. So this is the if you will click on this beside the A, this, then everything is selected, the whole Excel till whatever it is available like this. And if you want to click it in the select it in the other way, you need to do Control plus A, and voila, it is done. Now if you want to select adjacent rows or columns, you need to select the first row column, then hold down the shift key while you select the last row or column. So you can take any, like I'll take 7 over here, and then you need to hold down with shift, and then you can, with your mouse pointer, you can click it anywhere like this. So it's clicking on the adjacent rows and columns. And now if you want to select non-adjacent rows or columns, you need to click on the or column, then hold down the control key while you select the other rows or columns for the selection. So it means, I suppose I'm taking 94 over here, you need to click control, and I can click this, I can click this, I can click this, and then I can do whatever actions. I can like turn it into red, like see whatever I selected has turned into red. So these are few shortcuts. So these were few shortcuts, but now I'm gonna show you one more shortcut key. So this way four. Now I'm gonna show you the fifth one. So it's very simple. I'll copy Monday, Control C, and I do copy. Now paste Monday somewhere on the Excel sheet anywhere, and then you need to click. You need to go to the top side of the this Monday column active cell, and then you need to just drag it down. This is the symbol of plus. It is known as autofill, and the Excel provides a wonderful feature of copying cell contents. The autofill is the easiest method to fill data in the cells automatically. And you can go down, see it appeared in the same color also. So now I'm going to show you for numbers. So if we write 1, 2, and then if we go down, it is just like one copy, because no, it is not in a text. This only is applicable on text. So for that, I know a trick. You need to keep a comma, and then you need to write the number, like I'll write 2, and now it is now a text. And now if you'll go till down, see the text, it is changed into text, and all the numbers are visible over here. This is also one autofill feature. So now I'm going to show you one more feature of Excel, the last one, the sixth feature trick. So moving data around. So we'll be using drag and drop method in this. So if suppose I want to replace 10 10 from here to over here, and 20 over here. So what mostly people do, they delete it and then they retype like this. So it's a time taking process. If it is a big letter, big sentence, then what to do? So it's very simple. When you need to click on this, go on the top like border like this, then you might be able to see it changes from a black cross symbol like this. So you need to drag it to wherever you want. Like if I drag it to h7, so if there is already a data in that cell, then it will come, there is already a data, do you want to replace it? If you want to replace it, then you need to click OK. So it's replaced, and this will occur. You can delete this if you want. And now if you want one to be over here, so it's same process, one, drag it to G5, and it's one. Voila. So thanks for watching my video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. I hope you liked my this video with some Excel tricks. Bye bye.